Hey you guys, Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning. We are here today. It is a wonderful Wednesday, so hump day I guess we'll call it. We got a couple stairways that we have in this house, and basically what we're doing is we're coming back in after some contracting work has been done and cleaning up a little bit of mess that the contractors leave, grease or whatever's on their shoes and whatnot. So anyways, we're going to be doing this stairway here, getting this cleaned up. Let me come around. And we shall be going up the stairway here. So here it looks like we've got ourselves some nylon possible carpeting here. So we're going to be using a sodium carbonate just because the sodium carbonate is very it's soap free, free rinsing, all that good stuff. It deodorizes, sanitizes, and when you're dealing with just debris and dirt in the carpeting, the sodium carbonate is a very what's the word I'm looking for? Very inexpensive way or cost-effective way of getting the carpets clean, neutralized, sanitized, deodorized, and it will do the job and it'll look absolutely wonderful. So that's what we're going to do is we're going to put it on. We are going to agitate using a brush, give it a good brush, and then we will extract it using the chuck-mounted steam cleaning, and it will come out absolutely wonderful.